subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.
All right, so the most important part here really is just making sure you're lined up straight before you get started. I'm going to use this little spinning lug nut puller tool. I'm going to link this down below. They're nice and cheap. They're like $5-6, and I'll link that below. That's going to allow you to take up the space here as you pull the stud towards you through the hub and then your new lug nut. So you're going to hold everything straight and get that like cinched up. Mine's a 21 millimeter in this case. And you're going to tighten the lug nut and effectively pull that stud towards you through the hub. As you pull it in a little bit, make sure it's staying straight. It's going to give you a little resistance, but it shouldn't be an insane amount of resistance. Of course, on this front-wheel drive car, as I tighten, the drivetrain is going to want to turn on me. So you can get a pry bar, lodge it in between the other studs. I'll show you that. Put the pry bar in between the studs or in between the studs and the axle, like I'm doing here, and you can counter your force and prevent the drivetrain from spinning. So this little tool is nice because it has a bearing on it, so it's going to spin against the hub. It's going to take some load off the threads, make it easier to pull this stud through. It's really worth it to get this tool, in my opinion. So it's pulling through the hub nicely here. Just take your time and make sure everything's nice and smooth. You can back it off if you want to, and you can check your progress. As you can see, this tool has a little cup in the front where your lug nut is going to sit, and then the back is where it's going to spin here. Got about 1/8 of an inch left. I'm going to switch to a breaker bar and just get a little more leverage. And you're just going to go until it stops. All right, that's it. So I bottomed out. There I am, good to go. Brand new wheel stud. Job went super smooth. Highly recommend picking up one of these tools. Again, I'll link it down below. Subscribe to the channel, it would mean a lot to me. Leave any comments, questions. I try to answer every comment and question. Thanks for watching. See ya.